2 days ago, I shared a forecast on USD Swiss, which was a beautiful over 1 to 18 risk reward ratio trade right here. So if you didn't check it out, see the video right here on YouTube. It was actually shared on YouTube, and also it was actually shared as a forecast on our Facebook, our mentorship program, and everywhere literally. And this is how it was, right? So you can see that it was a beautiful drop based rally with a break of structure to the upside, and then we saw the market leaving, giving us equal lows right here. So what we were anticipating was for the market to come and actually take out the lows right here. And then now we can see for potential buying opportunities right here. 5 pips stop loss and 118 pips target, right? Unfortunately, this is what ended up happening. The market did go in our direction as predicted. However, the market didn't come into my area of value right here so that I can actually get involved. So you have to be rigid with your rules. Make sure you are following your rules, because if you don't, guess what happens? You end up getting bent most of the time. So you can see that right here, most of the times what you should look for is for the market to actually take out the low of the Asian session, this right here, and then we see the market now coming into our zone right here. However, the market just came into, didn't even break the low of the Asian session. It just continued to push to the upside after the market opened, and the market continues to push to the upside and all the way to this level right here. And you can see that the market ended up going all the way, almost approaching our target right here, which was about 118 pips. And we didn't actually get involved in this particular trade, and that's going to happen. For me, what I usually do is that I set alerts right here, and I'll be notified once the market comes to my area. So what you don't want to have is to have FOMO and try and chase the market, and sometimes that doesn't work out properly. All right, sometimes the market just starts to, after you've entered, the market now goes back in against you, and then you end up losing. It's always important to actually wait for oil confluences to be made before jumping into any trade. It's always important. However, the reality is that you can't catch all the trades. Sometimes you're going to miss out on beautiful trades like this one right here. This was shared on Sunday as a forecast, both on Facebook and Instagram, and also here on YouTube. So make sure you check out the video. You actually see my full explanation right here. So I just wanted to report to you guys that, okay, this trade ended up going in our direction. However, we didn't actually get involved in this particular trade. It was a beautiful trade, moved exactly as predicted, but we didn't actually participate in this particular trade because it didn't come to my area that I wanted it to come to. All right. So yeah, I just hope you pick out something. Remember, we are still running our 30% off promotion, which is ending on the 31st of December 2024. Make sure you take advantage of it before it runs out. We have few spots remaining. Make sure you get them before they are gone. So you guys, I hope you found value in this video. I just wanted to show you guys what happened on this particular trade right here. Until next time, goodbye.